Hey everyone, my name is Musa and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to fire up the smoker for an all-time favorite, beef short ribs. Stick around and I'll show you how I prep, smoke and serve them up. Thanks. So stop wasting more time and let's get into it. So this is beef short rib. It comes in different sizes and weights and stuff. It depends on which part of the cow it's been cut off. But yeah, I'm happy with this decent amount of beef. I bought it from a local butcher. And if I want to tell you how heavy this is, it's roughly around 30.5 kilos. So people trim it. I just leave it as is. And then as for binder, I'm using sriracha sauce and good old salt, pepper and garlic. So let's see. So now that we put the seasoning on, we're gonna let it sit and rest for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going outside to fire up the smoker. We're gonna smoke this at the rate of 120 for about 8 or 9 hours. And we're gonna monitor the internal temperature. We'll see you there. Hey everyone, welcome back. So we are 10 hours through the cook and oh my god, look at this. So the temp says 205-ish and it's just butterfield soft. Yeah. So at this temperature, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna wrap it and then we're gonna leave it to rest for about an hour in the cooler, which trust me, it is the hardest part to resist, not to poke around and let it rest. So I'm gonna wrap it up and I'm gonna see you back in an hour. It's time to see what we've done. Oh my god. That smells amazing. Ooh, look at that. Look how jiggly it is. Look how jiggly it is. Ooh. Listen. Just listen to that bark.